Since our founding in 1911, Viking Pump has built over 7 million pumps and supplied them to customers all over the world. These pumps handle the broadest range of liquids in the industry. We've prepared a listing of 50 of Viking Pump's applications, tying each to a state where this application can commonly be found. This does not mean that these applications are exclusive to that state, nor does it mean that this is the only Viking Pump application to be found in that state. It's just a fun way to outline 50 of Viking Pump's most common and successful applications. In this final episode, let's explore Viking Pump applications in Nebraska, Arizona, Virginia, Louisiana, and Michigan. You're watching the Pump Report. In Nebraska, soybean oil is just one edible oil that's produced. Soybean oil is used not only for cooking, but also in the manufacture of personal care products and as a feedstock in the manufacture of biodiesel. And just down the road, you'll also find pumps for corn oil, sunflower oil, even walnut oil. And expanding that search globally, you'll find Viking pumps for palm oil, olive oil, peanut oil, rapeseed oil, grapeseed oil, and dozens of others. Next is Arizona. Seal Coat is an asphalt emulsion used in the repair of paved surfaces. Temperature fluctuations, day-to-day wear and tear, and age can deteriorate paved surfaces. Seal Coat produced by Viking Pumps in Arizona and other plants around the world are applied to roads, parking lots, rooftops, and driveways to extend their useful life and prevent costly replacement. In Virginia, hot melt adhesive, or hot melt glue, is a polymer-based adhesive that must be heated to a molten state before its application. Viking jacketed pumps provide an excellent means of thoroughly and completely liquefying the residual product in the pump prior to startup. Viking pumps are used both in the manufacture and application of hot melt adhesives. In Louisiana, cane sugar is grown and processed. While the rest of the U.S. lacks the appropriate climate to grow this traditional source of sugar, Louisiana utilizes cane sugar for candies, baked goods, and your daily cup of coffee. Specially fitted Viking pumps are used to pump sugar magma and massicweed, efficiently handling these viscous liquids without damaging the growing sugar crystals within. And finally, Michigan has a long history with the auto industry. It's home to some of the world's oldest automobile manufacturers and is still home to many vehicle production plants. In these plants and at their various suppliers, Viking pumps are used to manufacture and deliver a variety of liquids required for vehicle production, including paints, lubricants, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, coolant, and wiper fluid, just to name a few. So what did you think of our list? Or did we leave off an application in your state that you'd still like us to highlight? Please let us know in the comments. To learn more about these applications or to view other pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.